पाकिस्तान से शिकस्त पर भारतीय फौजी अफसरान की हवाएं उड़ी हुई हैं। प्रेस ब्रीफिंग में सवालों के जवाब तक नहीं दे सके। भारतीय फौजी अफसरान से राफेल तैयारों की तबाही का 2 बार सवाल किया गया। भारतीय फौजी अफसरान ने टाल मटोल से काम लेते हुए कहा कि सवाल से मुतालिक राय नहीं दे सकते। भारतीय एयर मार्शल ने ढके चुपेल पास में राफेल गिरने की तस्दीक भी कर दी।
So can you give a number of assets we lost, because there's been a lot of speculation going on, international media writing a lot of things about our platforms, including Rafales. I mean, Pakistan claiming that Rafale has been downed, etc. Can you put that question to rest and clarify on that?
I guess that question is for me. All right, I'm happy that you've asked this question. You know, we are in a combat scenario, and losses are a part of combat. The question that you must ask us, okay, and indeed that we must ask ourselves, you inclusive, at this time, I would not like to comment on that, because we are still in a combat situation. And if I comment on anything, it will only be advantage adversary. So we don't want to give him any advantage at this stage.